Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I have been on here. Sorry, there's no excuses. I just have been doing other stuff. Haven't really been that inspired, to be honest. And yeah, I mean, I've just been doing other stuff, living life, I guess. But I am back, and I knew that as soon as this launch was coming out, I was definitely going to want to review it for you guys, demo it for you guys, just kind of give you my final thoughts on it. This is the Aaliyah x MAC collection, and it's, if you don't know, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. If you are a child of the 90s, then everybody knows who Aaliyah is. It's just like everybody knew who Selena was, and Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, Destiny's Child, like that whole era. Aaliyah was around during that whole era. Unfortunately, she did end up passing away in a plane accident in 2001, and so her life was like really short-lived. I freaking loved Aaliyah. I had all her albums. I always loved her style, her song. Was a R&B singer and inspiration. She was beautiful, very talented, and she just had like such a soft feminine voice about her. And she definitely passed too soon. MAC announced that they were bringing out this collection, I want to say 2 years ago. This was like right after the Selena collection had launched. I own the Selena collection, and if you guys own the Selena collection too, then you know like the craziness, the insanity, the hard work, the dedication, everything that went into it, like getting this collection pushed. And I feel like the same has happened with the Aaliyah collection. If you're somebody that would follow Aaliyah, then you would know that like she wasn't a huge makeup wearer. She was very much so like more of a natural looking type girl. She had like that tomboy flair to her, but she was still pretty. Like she was the epitome of like a pretty tomboy. When I think of like modern day Aaliyahs, I think of people like Tiana Taylor. She's like the first person that comes to mind. Like still very pretty, will have a really nice beat face, but will, you know, be a little tomboyish. And I think that that's why people loved her. Well, at least I know growing up, that's why I love her, and I like still love her. So yeah, I got everything in the collection except the bronzer. I just thought the bronzer was probably way too light for me, so I didn't get the bronzer. I did accidentally though get a extra eyeshadow palette. So yeah, so when my stuff came, it came in a box like this, and these are just all empty because I have the product laying out. But the packaging is really pretty. This is what the packaging looks like. Really nice on the outside. I love this color. I just think it's very pretty. So yeah, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys like my first impressions, to kind of demo this for you and just kind of give you a rundown of everything. Before we get started though, if you are not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, because I know I say this and a bunch of people say this, like YouTube, like you'll miss videos if you don't turn on your notifications. So please turn on your notifications. I have something really exciting in the works that I would love for you guys to see, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you are not already following me, feel free to follow me on my other social media platforms as well. I'm super active on Instagram, really Instagram if I'm being honest. But yeah, so follow me there, really active, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into the video. This collection right here comes with 1 eyeshadow palette, 2 lip liners, 4 like lip glasses, and then 4 lipsticks. So we'll just start off with the palette. So the first thing is going to be the eyeshadow palette, and it's a really pretty palette. It has 9 different eyeshadows in it. The only thing I wish is that I wish they would have put a mirror here. Like that would have been perfect had they put a mirror. You can still see yourself in this, but I just really wish that it was a mirror. But nonetheless, It's a really, really pretty eyeshadow palette. It comes with very pretty colors, a lot of purples and muted colors and darker colors. And one of the things that I love about this collection, even though it launched in the summertime, is that this collection is perfect for the fall. Like, I cannot wait to do fall looks with this. So really, really nice. I was able to blend the eyeshadows all over my eyes. I started off with this like lighter brown color right here, and then I went into kind of adding this darker color more on the outer corner of my eye, and then I went into like this bluish color right here. It's like a blue smoky color, and then I added some of this purple, and then I finished it off with that pink color right there, or no, this pink color down here. So yeah, overall I absolutely love, you know, I love the quality. They're MAC eyeshadows, so if you guys are used to MAC eyeshadows, then you know what the quality is going to be like. So I really, really like that. Next two things that came in the collection are going to be her lip liner. So she has two lip liners. One of them that is a beautiful, beautiful red color, and this color, it reminds me a lot of Ruby Woo from MAC, but this is a lot creamier. Like, this pencil is a lot more creamier, and I love a good, like, as much as I don't want to use it because it's like a collector's item, I'm going to be using it. But this is in the color Follow Your Heart. And then she also has a darker, like almost a brownish, dark brown with a undertone of like green or purple underneath it, lip liner, and this is going to be called Nevermore. So love those. Next are going to be her lip glosses, and if you know Aaliyah, then you know that she was the gloss queen. She was always known for a gloss. The 90s in general was gloss was everywhere, but yeah, she was the gloss queen. And so she has 4 glosses. The glosses that she has, let me see, the first color is going to be At Your Best, and that's going to be like a really pretty, almost oxblood color purple, and I'll have swatches up for you guys as well. And then the next color that she has is One in a Million, and oh, I like that song. Yup, baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't take no one come and take your place, 'cause love you can't be replaced. One in a Million this is a beautiful, like purple, like a dark, almost black colored lip gloss. And like I said, this color would be beautiful and perfect for the fall/winter time. Do a neutral eye with this, and then just pop this on, put on your black turtleneck, pull your hair back in like a chic bun, and you are good to go. You look super chic. The next color is going to be the color Motor City. If you guys don't know, Aaliyah was raised in Detroit. She was born in Brooklyn but raised in Detroit. So Motor City, Detroit, get it. And this is just going to be a this is a really pretty like corally pink color. I absolutely love this color, actually. I think this color would be beautiful. Like, look how pretty that is. That color would be beautiful for people with really all color skin tones. I feel like this color goes with everyone. So really pretty. And then last but not least is going to be the color Brooklyn Born. So like I was saying, she's born in Brooklyn, raised in Detroit, and this is just going to be a true sparkly, true lip gloss. It's a sheer lip gloss. And like I said, as much as I don't want to use this on a daily basis, I feel like I will be, because I live for a good, clear, like lip gloss like this. I live for a good tinted, just basic lip gloss. Last thing that I have is I have all 4 of her lipsticks. Why can't I think of the name of that? And I just have to say, like, an A for effort with the packaging. The packaging is beautiful on these. It's very, very clean and very, very pretty. First lipstick color that I have is actually the color that I'm wearing right now, and that is going to be the color Hot Like. And it's just a really, really beautiful red color. It's one of their amplified cream lipsticks, which means that this lipstick doesn't dry down matte. It stays like this creamy, it's not a matte lipstick, it's a cream lipstick. But this color is really, really pretty, really beautiful. It's just a true, like, perfect red, and you can never go wrong with a red color. And yeah, and this is, like I said, the packaging is A1, and you just can't go wrong with the red color. Next thing that I'm gonna have is the color Try Again. Oh, try again. Put yourself up and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. This is the color Try Again, and it's just gonna be a really, really pretty, just almost like a brownish nude color. I tried this, like, I swatched this on my skin, but I'll be really interested to see what this looks like actually on and see if this actually matches. It's a beautiful, beautiful brown color, and I think that if you did this with, like, MAC's Chestnut Liner, which everybody should have MAC's Chestnut Liner, you'd be good to go. Next color that I'm gonna have is just gonna be more of like a darker, deeper reddish color, and this is the color More Than a Woman. No, that's what I was saying. I'd be more than a woman, more than a lover. I think this color is stunning as well. Again, it's almost a berry, it's almost like a berry color, so really, really pretty. Really, really like that. Again, perfect colors for fall. Like, they knew what they were doing when they released this collection, because even though we're in June, snap your fingers, everybody's gonna be doing fall makeup looks and fall looks, so this was like perfect timing to basically be in between spring to basically be in between summer and fall. And last but not least is gonna be the color Street Thing. And again, this is another amplified color, and it's almost like you look at it and you think it's black, but it's not. It's almost like a dark, dark, deep, deep, deep purple. Of course, with flecks in it, like glitter flecks in it, but very, very pretty and very unique. I feel like if you throw this color on, especially in the fall time, with a black turtleneck, put on like black skinny jeans, throw your hair back, put on, you know, minimal eye makeup, and just this, I just think that this color would be so nice and so pretty and just great for any season. Love, so that is it. Overall, my thought, oh, and I got a bandana as well. So some of those of you that ordered online got the bandana. It's really cute, really, really cute. Bandana's really cute. But yeah, overall, my final thoughts on the collection is it's beautiful. Colors are pigmented. The shadows anyone can wear. She has a variety and like a range of lipsticks, and so she has a nude, she has a bold color, she has a almost like a berryish color in there, and then of course she has her dark color, and then same goes with her lip glasses. She has, you know, a bold color like a coral, and then she has the deep dark color, and then she has a clear color. I just think if you are wanting to get more bang for your buck, the Aaliyah collection is definitely the way to go if you can get your hands on it. I don't even know if it's still sold out. Yeah, so those are my final thoughts. If you guys are still able to get your hands on it, I would definitely say get your hands on it if you are a makeup lover and a Aaliyah lover. No, Aaliyah fan. But if you're her lover too, I mean, no judgment zone, you know what I'm saying? But if you are a fan of Aaliyah and you loved her music, you loved her work, and you just loved her, and again, you love makeup, I would highly, highly try to get your hands on this collection right here, because you will not be disappointed. It's such a good collection, and it's a very versatile collection, and yeah, I would definitely try to get your hands on this. I'm sure MAC, if it is sold out, I'm sure they'll be having some type of second launch. They had a second launch with the Selena launch, and it was fine. So you guys may be able to get your hands on it if they decide to do a second launch. That is it for my review and demo. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope that you guys like this look as well. If you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and then of course everything that I talked about will be listed down in the bottom bar below as well. And then if you guys did like this video, feel free to give it a like and a thumbs up, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I don't really have much else to say aside from I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys!